Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated process of deleting a Telegram channel. Whether you're looking to clean up your Telegram account or simply want to start fresh, we've got you covered. Deleting a channel may seem daunting, but follow along, and you'll be able to do it in just a few simple steps. To kick things off, open the Telegram app on your Android phone. Once you're in the app, navigate to the channel you wish to delete. This is the channel that you'll be removing from your Telegram account. Next, tap on the channel's display photo located at the top of the screen. This will bring up specific details about your channel. After tapping the display photo, look for the pencil icon, also known as the edit icon. Give that a tap so you can access the channel settings. Now scroll down the settings menu until you see the option that says Delete Channel. Once you find it, click on that. You'll then be prompted with the option to choose Delete for all subscribers. If you want to ensure that the channel is removed completely, make sure to select this option. Finally, to confirm your decision, tap Delete Channel once more, and just like that, your channel will be deleted. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.